Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we are going to draw a small cute little flowers with two butterflies and I'll be showing two types of shadings in this with the brush pens. Okay, so let us see how to draw this. First I'm using mechanical pencil to draw the flowers. For these flowers I have used the basic shapes of circles and I have marked 8 points and I'm making the petals which will be of equal size and then making some leaves in this way. I don't want this to be completely empty, but I want it to be a little bit full, and this can be used as a greeting card. You can write any messages on this. So once the leaves are completed, now I'm going to draw the butterflies. So for this I just want to give a curvy shape of the butterfly, very simple butterfly. So this is the easy method to draw 3 small ovals and give the wings which are in leaf shapes and just give the strings. Now once the butterflies are completed, I have taken micron pens, Artline micron pens 0.8 size, and I'm just highlighting the total leaves, petals, flowers, everything. And once these are completed, just erase all the pencil marks. And here I am using Dome's 14 shades brush pens, and I just want to use shading giving with the brush. So I'm using the basic very thin brush of 0 size and taking little water. So for the circles I have done with the yellow color and even the butterflies, and then I have taken little water and spread it, and then now I'm using the red color, and even these I'll be spreading and giving a shading technique. This can be the one of the shading techniques. And after completion of butterflies, now I'm shading the leaves, and here first I'm applying with the brush pens and later I'm spreading them with the brush. So this is one type of shading technique, and we can even do the other type. First spread the water on the leaves and then drop a little bit lines off with the brush pens, and even this will give fantastic shading. So this is how it has turned up, and after this I'm giving some small designs just to cover the empty areas, and finally this is how it looks. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel and keep sharing. Bye bye, take care.